Today, I'm going to show you how to get your pay stubs from direct deposits in 2025. Easy and quick, so you always have your payment records handy. First, check if your employer provides an online portal or payroll service like ADP, Paychecks, or Gusto. Most companies use these platforms to share pay stubs digitally. Log into your employer's payroll website using your employer credentials. Once inside, navigate to Pay Stubs, Earnings, or Payroll section. Here, you can view, download, or print your pay stubs. They usually include all the detail from your direct deposits like gross pay, taxes, deductions, and net pay. If you don't have online access, contact your HR or payroll department directly. They can email or provide printed copies of your pay stubs. Another option is to check your bank statements. While it won't be show details info like taxes, the deposit amounts, and data, there is no for reference. And that's it. Log into your payroll portal or contacting your HR is the best way to get your pay stubs after a direct deposit. If this helped you out, hit the like button, ask a question below, and subscribe for more easy financial guides. See you in the next time.